Have you ever set goals that just seem to disappear into thin air? Many of us have vague goals like, I want to get fit or I want to lose weight. But these aren't real goals, they're just empty wishes. Think about it. I want to get fit tells you nothing. How fit? By when? What does success actually look like? The problem is most people set goals without any real structure. They're like shooting arrows without a target, hoping something might accidentally hit the mark. This is where OKRs come in, objectives and key results. It's a powerful goal-setting framework used by top companies like Google and successful entrepreneurs worldwide. An objective is your big, inspiring goal. It's qualitative and motivational. Your key results are specific, measurable outcomes that tell you exactly how you'll achieve that objective. Let me give you a perfect example of an effective OKR for personal health. The objective might be achieve a healthier and more active lifestyle. But here's where it gets powerful. The key results make this objective concrete. Exercise for at least 30 minutes 5 times a week. Lose 2 kilograms in 1 month through consistent exercise and a balanced diet. Replace sugary drinks with water or herbal tea, reducing consumption to a maximum of 2 times per week. See the difference? These aren't just wishful statements. They're actionable, measurable targets. I'll show you how to leverage this Notion template for effective goal tracking. You'll see how this system can transform the way you set and achieve your objective. On the left side, you'll set your objectives, and on the right, you'll define your key results. Let me demonstrate by creating a real goal. Build an emergency fund of $5,000 within 12 months. I'll start by uploading a relevant image to make the goal more motivating. Next, I'll set key results that will help me achieve this objective. The first key result is save 20% of monthly income consistently. When I input the current and target numbers, the system automatically calculates the progress percentage for each key result. By adding a due date, I'll get reminders about how many days are left to complete this key result. My second key result will be reduce discretionary spending by 25%. This means cutting back on things like eating out and entertainment. Again, I'll input specific numbers to track progress. The third key result is earn an additional $200 per month through a side hustle or freelance work. By updating the current values, the overall objective's progress will dynamically change. The system allows you to switch views and filter your objectives. You can quickly see which goals are completed or still in progress, making it easy to track your objectives and key results. This flexibility makes Notion not just a tracking tool, but a dynamic goal-setting companion that adapts to your journey. Avoid setting too many objectives. Don't create vague key results. Always be realistic and personalize your goals. Start with one objective for your current planning period. Download the Notion template in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more productivity and personal development content. See you next time.